Hi, welcome to Sandy's Reiki Care. Hope you all are fine. Friends, don't you think ultimate goal of our life is to gain calmness, clarity and self-awareness? But today everyone feels drained and exhausted from multiple facets to be lived at the same time. So to overcome this situation, I'm going to share certain Zen habits that will empower you to unwind, pause, and let go of all the stress and negativity around you. So, watch the video till the end. Also, I request you to subscribe to my channel, that is Sandy's Reiki Care. It is a great motivation, friends. Zen habits are used to reorganize, focus, bring calm, and reduce the anxiety of the future, to peacefully dwell in the present. It involves our daily life, from how we start our day to how we wind it up, how we interact with people, and how much we learn from it. So, if you follow these Zen techniques, you can reach a state of tranquility and peace that makes you happier in all aspects of life. So, some of the Zen techniques that I'm going to share is the first one is to practice positive thinking. Zen teaches us to see obstacles and discomforts in life not in a negative way, but view them as ways to strengthen the mind and character. Only change your perspective. Second technique is to live in the present. This philosophy emphasizes that the present is all we have and we can thrive in it if we appreciate every moment as it appears in front of us. Third technique, Zen says, is keep a happy and helpful nature. Helping people with warmth and positivity is the essence of Zen philosophy. Those who are of service to humanity, friends, are in fact following the Zen teachings. Fourth technique is doing one thing at a time, attaining perfection at one task and then moving on to another is much better than doing a lot of tasks half-heartedly. Fifth Zen practice. You should always ask yourself, is it necessary? We normally own a lot of things and emotions which are surplus and a burden on us. Zen philosophy is to acquire just what is necessary for us and for our happiness. Sixth technique is meditation. As per the Zen lifestyle, almost anything can become a meditation with the right mindset and attitude. Seventh technique is to follow a structured routine. It doesn't mean that it has to be a rigid lifestyle and lack spontaneity, but focusing on the task at hand and then moving on to the next. Eighth way is to be minimal. Many times, we buy things more than we need. We say things more than we need. It forms a chaotic cluster in our life. So, a minimal and holistic lifestyle removes the chances of toxicity to grow in our lives. Finally, Zen technique tells us to invest rest of the energy in recreation and self-care. So if you follow these techniques, you are sure to attain calm and satisfaction, which will be so easy to achieve. So do share these Zen techniques with your family and friends, even so they are able to live a holistic life. I hope all these techniques are not so difficult to follow, very easy, and you must all share your experience about the techniques you have embraced. Thank you and bye for now.